In this quick video, I'll show you how you can extract files with WinRAR. So you can see I've got an example folder here which has been zipped with WinRAR, and I'm going to show you how you can extract files from it. So first you need to have WinRAR downloaded. You can go ahead and download WinRAR at win-rar.com. Once you've got WinRAR downloaded, now any zip or RAR file you'll be able to open with WinRAR. So if you go ahead and double click on the files, it's then going to open WinRAR in this window. Now here you can see you've got some options. Now, we don't really need to worry about any of these icons. To extract files, all you need to do is click Extract Files, which will open this window. Now from here you can choose where you want to extract them to. So I'm just going to extract them to my desktop, and you can see here it's going to create a new folder called Files. We're going to keep the update mode on Extract and Replace Files, and on the overwrite mode here, we'll keep it on Ask Before Overwrite. That way if we accidentally make any changes, it's going to ask us if we're sure. Then go ahead and click OK, and then you can see it extracts that zip or RAR file to a standard folder which we can open and preview the files inside. Another quick way of just extracting files real quick, if you go ahead and open up the zip file, you can just highlight your files and drag them to wherever you need to, so I've just dragged them to my desktop. That's how you do it. I hope that quick video did help you out.